Number of electron pairs equals to 4, 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Molecular formula is AB2 type. Hybridization is sp3. Geometry is, this is A, B, here is also B. One lone pair, here is what? Second lone pair. Shape of this one is V shape or bent shape or angular shape. Instead of bent shape, the better one is which one? Angular shape. V shape or angular shape. AB to E2. The next one is 4, 3. This is 1, this is 3. AB, E3 type. Hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Generally, this is A, B, here lone pair, here is also lone pair, then like this. Okay, this is V shape, linear shape. V shape it is linear shape. Next one, number of bond pairs 5, number of electron pairs are 5, number of bond pairs 5, number of lone pairs 0. This is which one? AB5 type. Hybridization is sp3d hybridization, sp3d hybridization. Central atom is A, here is B, it is also B, B. It is also which one? B. This particular shape is known as trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal, which one? Bipyramidal. Number of electron pairs 5, number of lone pair of bond pair of electrons 4, number of lone pair of electrons equals to 1. So therefore here is what? AB4E. AB4E. Hybridization is same. sp3d. Then geometry. sp3d, seesaw structure, B atom, here is also which atom? B. It is also B, then contains what? One lone pair of electrons. This particular structure is known as what? Seesaw structure. The next one, number of electron pairs 5. Number of electron pairs 5. Bond pairs is 3. Lone pairs is 2. This is known as AB3, AB3E2. Then hybridization is also belongs to which one? sp3d hybridization. Shape is T shape. T shape. A. This is B. It is also B. Then like this. Here one lone pair of electron. Then here is also what? One lone pair of electron. This particular shape is known as what? T shape.